Preventive maintenance works, or scheduled technical maintenance works, consists in carrying out maintenance on pieces of equipment at regular intervals. The primary objective is to reduce the risks of equipment breakdown. On a wastewater treatment network, how are network collection structures and accessories maintained? Let's find out. Let's begin by a structure known as a pumping unit for lifting wastewater. Pumping units are structures which permit wastewater or rainwater to be pumped in places where gravity flow alone does not suffice. Maintenance operations on pumping units are carried out in order to prevent the deposit of sediments and fats, oils, and grease, or fogs, at the bottom of sewage collection pits. These sediments could damage pumps and, as a consequence, interrupt the operation of the unit. A pumping unit is maintained using a hydrojet sewer cleaning truck. Maintenance frequency is very variable. It can be monthly or annually, depending on the criticality of the unit. In other words, depending on the population connected to it, the presence or not of industrial effluents, and mostly according to the sensitivity of the receiving environment. Lastly, a pumping unit may be poorly sized. This structural problem will require particular care and maintenance on the part of operators. So, let's now look at wastewater collection system accessories. Firstly, pipelines. Connection pipelines, which serve to connect homes to the wastewater network, must be cleaned from the time that obstructions are present. Obstructions may consist in clumps of grease, for example, or tree roots. We consequently use low-tonnage hydrojet sewer cleaning trucks, 3.5 tons, for example. These trucks are more maneuverable and less cumbersome than combined trucks used to clean pipelines. Gutter grates and drains must also be maintained, as deposits form on their surface and obstruct them. Let's note that particular care is needed in streets with a lot of trees, as leaves often fall inside these accessories. Lastly, manhole and cover maintenance. As manholes, they are rinsed using a hose during preventive cleaning operations. Cast iron covers, which permit manholes to be closed, are not exposed to obstruction risks, but can deteriorate over time, owing to road traffic. In such cases, they are simply replaced. When they are noisy and bang, they are blocked using a piece of rubber. The main points to be remembered. Preventive maintenance works consist in intervening on a piece of equipment at regular intervals, the objective being to reduce the risk of breakdowns. The wastewater treatment network includes structures such as pumping units, accessories such as pipelines, manholes, or grates. In general, maintenance works consist in rinsing or scraping structures and accessories in order to remove any obstructions.